Are you done? I'm not doing that. Ralph Lauren don't even know who I am. I'm decorating my tree right now, and I was pulling out all of my bins. I was trying to find the perfect plaid ribbon because everybody's all about the 90s Christmas. Ralph Lauren Christmas, I think is what it is. I'm not sure. Um, I know it's pretty, so I have made a decision. I'm not doing that. So I'm going to use what I have. I already went and spent 30 something dollars just on lights, which I thought were normal lights, but they are icicle lights. And that's fine. You know what? I put them on my tree and they're just fine. I'm starting off with some deco mesh that I have in red, and I'm making bubbles all the way down the tree on 3 sides. I had all of these picks left over from last year. These pretty red feathers, these berries with the glittery leaves. So I am going to put the leaves and the berries back to back against the feathery picks. I'm gonna get me a zip tie this, and this is gonna be the top of the tree. So see, I just placed these together. I'm gonna take a zip tie. And crank it all the way down. Then I'm going to take the berries and the feathers and kind of spread them out. But that's what's gonna go, that's gonna be coming out of the top of my tree. Need a stool. I did use some of the branches on the tree to secure this pick at the top of the tree. I wasn't even showing you, but I'm using picks, leftover picks I had from last year. So I'm just kind of placing them into the tree like they're kind of falling out. I got these from Hobby Lobby, I want to say 3 years ago. So when I store them at the end of the season, I just kind of close it up. So now I'm gonna make them come alive. So just fluffing it out. I got these picks from Hobby Lobby. They were $6.99, but they were half off. So what I'm going to do is I'm creating layers on this tree. It's probably too much over the top. I don't know. My tree. So I'm going to find like the middle spot here, and I'm going to clip it there. So now I have 2 pieces. And I'm going to place them in the tree. You can see I've already done some up here. And I did one in the middle there, one there. Let's see. Go here. One there. Just adding more texture.